Got a little ride on with the Coast MTB Club today. Haven't ridden with the club for about a year since I moved out of this side of Geelong. Basically, I'm over in the Lara area now, but soon I'll be moving back. So I just quickly renewed my membership, and I've got a bit of a drive on in a bit of a ride on in one of the guys' backyards, effectively. So a bit of fun. Not going to tell you where it is, but if ever you want to find out, you can join up with the Coast MTB Club. By the way, I'm Jason, and that's my bike. Alright, we'll just go sneak into this guy's backyard, and hopefully there'll be a few other people there as well. Oh, this is new. Wow, that's a big one. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh, tough corner. Whew. Oh, that's climbing up here. Okay. Whee! Back on the track. Remember where it goes. Hey, oh, that berm. Oh. All right, see if I can get it right this time. Oh. Oh, overshot that one. Oh, shortcut. Sure about this. Chickened out. Yeah. I chickened out in the road gap.
Oh, did you?
I was behind you, but...
Do you want to go and do it again? It's very easy. It's actually...
It looks like just a roll. You don't even pull, you just roll off it, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, it's dead easy, isn't it? Looks so intimidating.
And I was just thinking to myself, it would be such a shame to miss out on that.
Yeah. I looked at it from this side first. When you're coming down, it looks fine.
Yeah.
But from here, it just looks horrible.
That's like a It's like... Yeah, that's a real toe bill compared to some of the...
Hey! Alright, let's do it. No brakes. Nice.
There's the drone. You alright? Oh, you're going to be on your best behaviour, Brett. Yeah, I'm going to put out the tree.
Oh, come on, get your foot in. Oh, that's harsh. Yeah.
You want me to go? You need to cut that bloody branch out. Do you want to go before me?
Not too fast this time. Ooh.